Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of fractions. This is second question of its exercise 7.3. So the question says that write the fractions and pair up the equivalent fractions from each row. So first में देखेंगे यहाँ total 2 parts हैं and so total part is 2 and 1 part is shaded. So fraction is 1 by 2. Here total 6 parts given and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are shaded. So by simplifying this will be 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. 2 by 3. And C 1, 2, 3, 3 3s are 9. Means total 9 parts given and 3 parts are shaded. So by simplifying 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So the fraction is 1 by 3. Next part is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2s are 8. So total 8 parts are given and 2 parts are shaded. So by simplifying this, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 1 by 4 is fraction. In part E, total 4 parts are given and 3 parts are shaded. So fraction is 3 by 4. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 3s are 18. So total 18 parts. And 1, 2, 3 and 3, 6. 6 parts are shaded. So by simplifying this, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 1 by 3 is fraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2s are 8. So total 8 parts and 4 parts are shaded. By simplifying this, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 by 2 is the fraction. In third, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 4s are 16. So total 16 parts are given and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are blank. So 16 minus 4 is equal to 12 parts are shaded. So by simplifying this, 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. So fraction is 3 by 4. In fourth, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 6 are 12. So total 12 parts are given and 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts are shaded. So by simplifying this, 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. 2 by 3 is the fraction. In this, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 4s are 16 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are shaded. So by simplifying this, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. 1 by 4 is the fraction. Next part है pair up the equivalent fractions from each row. So मैच कर लेंगे हम 1 by 2. So फर्स्ट हो जाएगा हमारा A and so 1 by 2 है हमारा सेकंड में. So A and second is equal to 1 by 2. 2 by 3. So B के साथ हो जाएगा B and so 2 by 3 हमारे पास फोर्थ तो हो जाएगा B and fourth is equal to 2 by 3. Part C is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 चेक करेंगे हम. So ये हमारे पास 1 by 3. So C and part 1 are equivalent. 1 by 3. D and so D have 1 by 4 and part 5th is also 1 by 4. So D and 5th is equal to 1 by 4. Last E and so E here 3 by 4 and third is also 3 by 4. So E and third is equal to 3 by 4. Thank you.